Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to blur in Adobe Lightroom Classic. So now open your Adobe and import your image and follow these simple steps. Now I'm going to start with adding a mask. So basically I'm just going to click on the adjustment brush, and here I can start adding my mask. Make sure that the exposure is on 0 so you won't have like a darker mask. So now I am showing the selected mask overlay so I can know where I am masking. So basically, just click on show, increase the size of your mask, and draw and cover all the area that doesn't contain your subject. Now I just contained everything, so now I'm going to start to isolate my subject and my image. So basically make sure that you are on the erase, and now you will start erasing. I'm going to add the flow so I can have a sharp erasing. So basically I'm just going to take off all the brushing mark or the brushing uh, here from my subject, which is girl. You can just adjust like this and go like that and have all, well, whatever. I'm not going to be too precise here, but you can take your time doing this. So I'm going to add more size. I'm going to add some flow, decrease it, and add some feather. So I will have some going like that. I'm going like this, and now I'm going to add decrease feather, add flow, and I will have it like that, etc. So basically after you are masking all the area uh, and you have your subject isolated, you will start click on the show selected overlay. Now you will have an overview of your image. So make now our subject, it is not it is masked, so all the editing won't be affected by it. And I'm going to start my adjustments now. So as you can see, whenever I do anything, it won't show on my subject because I have isolated. So I'm going back to let the exposure as it was. Now I'm going to decrease the texture and add decrease some clarity, and also have a little bit of dehaze, and I will add some contrast. And as you can see, more blur has been viewed. So the more you are decreasing texture, the more blurry it is. Also you can decrease the clarity so it will become more blurry, or if you want to combine a blur with some sharp textures or some sharp signs, you can add clarity and you will have like some clear blur. Also you can start to play with the dehaze to just custom your lightning of the image. So I can just have it like that and have my blurry image. So basically this is how you blur in Adobe after in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.